Soy products are often marketed as healthy alternatives, especially for vegetarians and vegans. However, Barbara O'Neill advises that not all soy is created equal. Most soy products on the market are made from genetically modified soybeans and contain high levels of phytoestrogens, which can mimic estrogen in the body and potentially lead to hormonal imbalances. Excessive consumption of soy can interfere with thyroid function and even increase the risk of certain types of cancer. Moreover, soy is often heavily processed, which further diminishes its nutritional value and can introduce unhealthy additives. That being said, not all soy is bad. Fermented soy products like miso, tempeh, and natto are rich in probiotics and can be a healthy addition to your diet in moderation. These fermented forms of soy are easier to digest and don't have the same negative effects on your hormone levels. Table salt, another kitchen staple, might seem harmless, but according to Barbara O'Neill, it's best to avoid it. The salt you find in most households and restaurants is highly processed, stripped of its natural minerals, and often contains additives like anti-caking agents. Consuming too much table salt can lead to high blood pressure, water retention, and other cardiovascular issues. Plus, the lack of natural minerals means you're missing out on essential nutrients that your body needs for optimal function. Instead, switch to unrefined salts like Himalayan pink salt or Celtic sea salt, which are rich in trace minerals and can be used in moderation without the same risks. Remember, a little goes a long way. Last but certainly not least, alcohol. While many enjoy a glass of wine or a cocktail now and then, Barbara O'Neill cautions against regular consumption. Alcohol is a toxin that can have a wide range of negative effects on the body, from liver damage to an increased risk of cancer. Alcohol can also disrupt your sleep, impair your judgment, and contribute to mental health issues like anxiety and depression. Moreover, it's loaded with empty calories, which can lead to weight gain, especially around the midsection. If you're looking to cut down on alcohol, try replacing it with healthier alternatives like sparkling water, herbal teas, or kombucha. These options not only hydrate you, but also come with their own health benefits, making them a much better choice for your overall well-being. And now for the bonus tip you've been waiting for. If you're serious about avoiding these harmful foods, consider incorporating regular detoxes into your diet. Barbara O'Neill suggests that detoxifying your body can help you eliminate accumulated toxins and reset your system. One of the easiest ways to do this is by drinking a detox smoothie or juice packed with greens, lemon, ginger, and other powerful detoxifiers. Not only will this help cleanse your liver and kidneys, but it'll also boost your energy levels and improve your digestion. Remember, the key to a healthy lifestyle isn't just about avoiding harmful foods, but also about nourishing your body with the right nutrients. By making these small changes, you'll be well on your way to a healthier, happier you. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out on more tips for living your best life. And if you have any questions or thoughts on today's topic, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. Until next time, take care and stay healthy.